Hey everybody, Chad and my fantastic Uncle Steve here. Today we're at the beautiful Nautica condominiums right across from Barrie's waterfront, Suite 1505.
So a couple things we don't touch on typically. Nautica has fabulous maintenance fees, is exceptionally well managed. The amenities are off the charts. But guys, this suite is a real treat as well too. Let's get inside and have a real close look. Absolutely love this Bimini model. Quite rare in the building. Actually, it's 1255 square feet, split 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 9-foot ceilings, all open concept.
Absolutely, like you said, open concept, I love it. Hard surfaces, stainless appliances, extended height cabinets, and check out the mini bar.
Chatter, check out this stunning view. Honestly, where do you find a view like this in all of Ontario?
Absolutely, if any of you guys know anything about Unc and I, we love boating. We're just trying to figure out which one we want. If we had a condo here, it would only be steps away.
You know, Chadwick, this condominium living, I'm telling you, it's all about the lifestyle.
Absolutely, Uncle. Most guys are trying to figure out, or girls, are trying to figure out how to clean the pool or which day to cut the grass on.
Yeah, you betcha. We're trying to figure out whether we're playing National Pines or Barrie Golf and Country Club.
For more information about this lifestyle or more listings alike, visit our website.